everyone. I'm sure you're excited about 2023. I wasn't particularly looking forward to doing brake work on Happier, but that's what happens when you don't drive your old Classic enough. But I am working on something real cool, something I've been thinking about for the last 2 or 3 years. Let me give you a sneak peek right now. And so here it is, sitting right inside this glove box door. This is something I think I've wanted to do for at least the last 10 years. Take a peek. Okay, we have here a voltmeter. We have here a vacuum gauge, and right here we have an air-fuel mixture gauge. And I hope to be able to install this on some of my old Mercedes, particularly those ones that are running fuel injection. You know, having a fuel-air ratio gauge is just going to be great, particularly on a D-jetronic or K-jetronic car. So this is something that's going to be real easy, but man, I'm working on it, so stay tuned. And so I hope every one of you have a great, wonderful, and exciting 2023.